Welcome to DeepMind AI. Today I'm so excited to tell you one of the most amazing AI tool through which we can create unlimited realistic high definition video. Haiper AI is game-changing AI video generator like Sora, and we can create hypersonic video. We can use this tool absolutely free. Let's dive into Haiper AI and create our first video with simple prompt. So first of all you have to you have to search Haiper AI. You have to click the link Haiper AI here. Now you can see the option on top, start creating. So all you have to do, you have to click on this. Now you can see we do have this wonderful interface here, and you can see we can create videos with simple text. We can animate any static picture and we can bring that picture to life, and we can repaint our video. And the last option we have, we can extend our videos, but this is not a fully launched, and that is coming soon as well. And under here we can see some artwork. People already published some videos, and if we click on the thumbnail, and we can watch the video as well. So let's see this one. That's just amazing, and you can make it your favorite by clicking on heard, or you can do download as well. You have option, and you can share with your friends as well. So first all we have to do, we have to create our own video from simple text. So what we have to do, we have to go to the top here, create video with text. So all we have to do, we have to click here. And now we can describe the video which we want to generate. So I already have some text, so all I have to do, I have to paste here. And now you can see if we click here, we do have option. We can create the length for our video. So far we have two options. We can like the duration could be 2 seconds or 4 seconds. It may be increased in future as well. So I'm going to make it 4 seconds as well. And now we have two options. We can make our content to public, or we can keep it private. I'm going to make it public. So I want people to see and download my content. So now I'm going to click on generate. The content is in queue, and the AI is going to generate video for us. So let's watch that. Now the video has been created. All we have to do, let's watch the final result. So all we have to click here. Wow, this is just mind-blowing. And if we are not satisfied with the work, and we can do, we have option here, we can regenerate here, we can add some more prompt, or we have to do, we have three dots here, we can delete this, or we have here option, we can make it private or make it public as well. So now we have to click on regenerate, and let's watch the next output. The second prompt is absolutely ready. Now let's watch this one, and you can see this is totally amazing, and it looks so real. No one can believe that it has been created from simple text. Now the second option we have, we can create video from simple static picture. All we have to click, we have to come here, animate your picture. We have to click on here, and we have to upload the picture as well. I have this rabbit picture here. I'm going to upload. If you have you can also describe your picture which you want to generate. If you don't, you can just upload the picture, and all you have to do, you have to click on create as well. So now I'm not going to describe the video. All I'm going to do, I'm going to click on generate. Now you can see we have created a video from simple static picture. So let's watch this one. This is just mind-blowing. From static picture we bring this rabbit to life, and now we create a video from just a simple static picture. And under here you can make it your favorite and just click here, or you can download here as well, and you can share this with your friends as well. So thank you so much for watching DeepMind AI. If you like this video, please do share, subscribe and comment our channel DeepMind AI.